I've been broke. I've been in debt. When you're in debt and you're not living the lifestyle that you want to live, it's kind of depressing, right? It's pretty depressing when you're not, financially able to make it. And so I remember going through those moments of feeling depressed and like, what am I doing with my life? I'm better than this. Or questioning like, are people really that much better than me? Like people that I felt like I was smarter than, sharper than, but they're in a better situation than me. And I'm like, why is that? And I realized it didn't really matter how smart you were. It didn't really matter, at least what you thought about the other person. What matters is the type of game that they were playing and the game that you were playing, and the difference between the knowledge they had and the knowledge that you had. That's what I found was the biggest difference maker between me and other people, or me and my goals. And I always said, like, if I ever figured this stuff out, I would share it with the world.
I discovered Jason after a roommate that was renting a room in my home was trading options quite successfully, and I thought, well, I've got some money lying around. I wonder what this is all about. And that's where I discovered Jason in the Brown Report, and I would watch him, and I would watch other people, and I'd go back to him, and I'd listen to other people talk about how to do things, and I'm like, I have no clue. And then I'd listen to Jason and it would be like, yeah, man, that makes sense. I get that. That's kind of cool.
Chug, like it, earnings coming up. When should we have taken our shot? Boom, boom. If we missed it, too risky, way up here. And with earnings coming up, that's double risk. Okay, sometimes the best trade is the trade you do not take. Listen, I just really want to tell people that dreams do come true. I'm just a kid from Detroit, you know what I'm saying? Single parent household. God bless my mother. She did the best she could with us boys. But, I got to pinch myself sometimes when I wake up and just think like I live where I live, I drive what I drive. And more importantly, I'm able to help people and teach people about wealth, about the stock market, about how to have their money work for them so that they don't have to work so hard for it. And I'm just here to show that, like, you don't gotta sell drugs, you ain't always gotta be a basketball player or nothing like that to afford one of these cars. You can have your money work for you inside the stock market, and there's other wealth principles that I just really wanna bring to people's attention and open their mind to. Become a millionaire, not for the money, but become a millionaire because of what it'll make of you to get there. Who do you need to rise up to? What level of yourself do you need to improve? How much value do you need to bring to the world? What do you have to perfect, work on, master in order to generate $1 million? Because short of winning the lottery or somebody passing away and you just inheriting $1 million, like, you have to build something, you have to deliver, you have to master something personally or professionally to unleash and unlock that type of money into the universe. You have to become a person of integrity, meaning you have to be a person of honor, truth, your word, deliver. You have to be a person of value, meaning you have to give more than you take. Can I rise to the occasion? Your test becomes your testimony.